Live in the Froggy studio, here is Cody Gibson. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Homemade wine, Saturday night. Stars in the moon, campfire light. Dixie cup, truck getting stuck in the mud out in the cup. It's cold beer and high shine. Foot on the gas, blowing stop signs. It's hot lead, baby, corn fed. Lay down that old steel bed. Tailgate Buzz. What you're drinking just isn't enough. So have one more and push you over the edge. Tailgate Buzz. Grab your beer money to make it feel fuzzy. And what we do out here, you gotta keep it hush hush. Yeah, we're just working on our tailgate buzz. Yeah. How you doing out there, Froggy land? Late night sitting, memory reminiscing. Girl under my arm, probably should be kissing. Burning down the back road, half drink beer in a console. It's good times, good friends. Never wanna hear something in. It's a good feeling up in your head. Sitting on the back of that bed. Come on, tailgate buzz. What you're drinking just isn't enough. So have one more and push you over the edge. Tailgate Buzz. Grab your beer money and make it feel fuzzy. And what we do out here, you gotta keep it hush hush. Yeah, we're just working on our tailgate buzz. Tailgate Buzz. What you're drinking just isn't enough. So have one more and push you over the edge. Come on, tailgate buzz. Grab your beer money and make it feel fuzzy. And what we do out here, you gotta keep it hush hush. Yeah, we're just working on our tailgate. Working on our tailgate. Working on our tailgate. Tailgate Buzz. Go Bucks, y'all!